I am implementing classes, right? So I am taking one class oops dot py. I am taking one Python file here. So this is my Python file. Here in this video I am going to explain all these. These are like a oops concepts in Python. So how to create class, everything I will explain. So first what I am doing is I am opening my interpreter to implement the Python py hyphen class oops dot py. So here first I am going to explain class. What is a class? Class is a blueprint. For example, we have one company, okay? In that company we have 100 members of employees are there. So in that company is one class means each employee in the company is one object. So first I am creating one class as employee, okay? Class as employee, okay? Class is employee. So here if we do like this, so what will happen? Python will treat, oh, they created one class name is employee, so that's it. If you want to create an object for this one, so first what we need to do, we need to create e equal to emp loye of parenthesis. This means it will create one class, one object for this class. So for each company we have so many students, so each student have different properties. If in company we have so many employees, so if I taken one employee class, each employee has different name, different properties. Those properties we need to declare with the object. So each object having properties methods means like each employee will do something work. So for example, in this way you can learn what is class, what is object. So class is an employee class. In employee class we have HR employees are there, tester employees are there, development employees are there, management employees are there. So each employee will do different work, and different work means one will do develop, one will do test. This is the function of that employee. And the properties means each employee having name, age, salary, and a department. Like that we have so many properties are there. So now I am going to next one, how to create constructor for the class. Here so first if you want to create a constructor for class, we need to write def. After that we need to write underscore init underscore init self comma name comma age comma salary. Each employee having name, each employee having age, and each employee have salary. So here self dot name equal to name, okay? And self dot age equal to age, okay? Here self dot, here I am taking underscore salary. Means why I am taking underscore salary means salary is one encapsulation variable, because we can't show salary for all employees to everyone. Encapsulation, because salary is a confidential. Someone will have more salary, someone will have less salary. So this is encapsulation. Encapsulation means what are the provided things only we can provide, remaining things we can hide. So this is the salary we can show, to whom we can show, who is the employee, their salary we need to show them. We no need to show all the employee salary to each and every one of the employee. So that is called encapsulation. So now first why we need to create this init means, here init is one constructor in Python, okay? I am giving comments here, you can easily understand. Constructor, okay? Constructor. So constructor, if we create object for a class, the first thing is the constructor will call, okay? So next self dot name, self dot age. Self means one instance variable. If we create a object to the employee, and we are passing name, first I am passing name, my name is Shiva, so here I am passing, and 35 is age, and I am passing 40,000 I am passing. So here first it will store value in this e. So self means the self is one keyword which reference to the separate reference to each and every object of that class. So here if I am creating another variable with the same class, then the self is used to for this one. Here I am doing, here I given E1, and here I given Ravi. So my purpose is, what is our purpose? Uh, how self keyword is working. Self keyword, first it will take E values and it will do the operations. If we create another object for the same class, again the self will come occur and it will take the reference of E1 and it will take these values of the second employee and it will do the calculations based on this self keyword. So that is the purpose of self keyword. Here these are called instance variables. Instance, INSTANCE, instance variable. Okay, and these two are instance variable. So instance variable. Okay, next this is encapsulation, right? So this one we can also call a private variable. Private variables are only accessible within that class only. These who is employee, they can access only their salary, not other salary. So that is the purpose of this is the class creation. Class creation here. So now what is class, what is object, what is constructor, what is instance variables, you will understand, right? So now I am going to, first I will execute this and I will show the output here. CLS. Now I am executing this one. Here what I am taking one class, right? I created two objects. So our assumption is we need to print these two. Here what I need to print, right? So for printing of these employees data in class, I need to write one method, def show details. Show details means it will show the employee details. Here I need to pass, show details means I need to pass self keyword, because self keyword is the take the reference of each object here. So now here what I am doing is here, so first I am printing, just I am doing printing. So print, when user call the show details method, I am just printing the details of employee. So self dot, what is that self dot, what we need to print? First we need to print self dot name. Okay, and self dot a, I am, if I am doing in curly braces, so it will give the placeholder and it will print exact value. We no need to write everything. So here self dot salary, we need salary, right? So salary. So this is the how we need to display show details like this. So now here I created two objects. Just I am creating two objects, and I need to print the e dot show details. Here I no need to pass because I am already creating instance variable, right? In that instance variable, it will take care of the values of that class variables in the constructor. So now I am going to show the output here. See, I have two employees are there, Siva and Ravi. Those age is 35 and salary is this one. So this is how we can create one method in the Python within the class. So method, this is the method for that class. Now I am going to explain self keyword. I already explained. Self, it will take the reference of each object and it will do their duty. So next, inheritance means it is like a parent and child. For example, in company we have so many employees are there. So I am creating one class, okay, class manager. So everyone is employee in one company, but in that employees some are managers also there, right? So here I am taking one class as manager. This manager is inherited from employee. So manager is also an employee in the company and he is also a manager. So here we can declare class variables also like this, class variable declaration. Okay, here for example company name. I am giving company name. Company name. Okay, company name equal to so directly you can write some startup company. Okay, so here this is the company name in Python. This is the class variable in Python. So now here I am creating one class, and this class is inherited from the employee. So if we do inherent, what we can do, we can access the parent class methods easily. So I am not doing anything. So I did pass, and I am creating one object for this manager class. So manager. Okay, here see it is asking name, age and salary. So I am giving Ram, and age is 45 and the salary is something. So here what will be the benefit of inheritance is, we no need to create entire class. We can use the parent properties whenever we require. So here I created a class for the manager, and I am printing the values. So print, okay, print also not required, m dot show details. So it is the method for the parent class. We are doing inherent from one class to another class. Here manager of employee means it will inheritance. It will inherit the parent values. Inherit the parent class. Okay, this is inheritance. Now what I am doing is, here we can print the class name of the parent employee also. Parent, sorry, print 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 m dot class name, m dot company name. So see here, so I am showing the output to you. See, now I have 3 employees. These 2 are for the employee class. Ravi and Shiva are from employee class. Ram is from the manager class. And the company name is in the employee class. I am doing the inheritance for the employee in the manager class. Here I am printing the class name, company name value from the parent class. So this is the output of for this one. Startup is the company name. So now we can cover here self keyboard inheritance we can cover. So I am explaining polymorphism. Polymorphism means we can use the same method in different classes. So the best example of polymorphism is, we have 2 classes, right? First one is employee class, second one is manager class. So I am creating another class. So class equal to here HR. Okay, HR also inherent from manager. So here what I am doing is, first in a employee class I am calling one sorry, not employee class. Here I will call another class. Here what I am doing is, first I am creating one method, def equal to work. Okay, this is work is one method. So here work, what we can do is, we can print the values. So f, so I need to pass self here return. What I am doing is, here I am printing self dot name is working as HR. So same way I am creating one method in the manager class also. This is our manager class. Here I am creating one method. Here one method I am creating, self work, method name is work. Here I am giving this name as, he is doing manager, MANAGR, manager. So now we have employee is there, and we have work is there in one class. Here also work is there, and here also I am creating one more method. So here I am creating one more method to implement the work here. So here he is he is working as employee. So we have one company, right? So in that company, someone are employees, someone are manager, someone are HR. So here I am using the method name is work. Here also method name is work. Here also method name is work. In parent I am doing as just working as employee. In the manager level I am rewriting that work method, doing like he is working as a manager. In manager level I am rewriting that method. I am doing overriding that method as HR. If I am doing the same method in overriding again, a parent class method we are overriding. In child class is overriding method. Overriding we can call it method overriding. So method overriding, why we need this one means, in parent they can do something, in child they can do something. So like that method overriding will work for us. So here what is the polymorphism? Our question is polymorphism. So first for polymorphism, what we can polymorphism means, so say we can call same methods, those are doing different work. So for I am doing one for loop for item in array of. So here what I am doing is I am calling one I am creating one object for HR class also. HR equal to HR. HR means it will create one class for this one. So then I am calling the HR method I am calling, and I am calling employee method, and I am calling manager method. So I am calling three class methods. So what I am doing is item dot work. So here I am creating each class having one object, and I am printing this with one work. So every time what will do, first it will come to the reference of HR. Item dot work means in HR class what he will do, he is working as a HR. Again loops comes, item dot work will call it, at this time it is a E means in employee class what he is doing, he is working as an employee. Again the loop will revert, and here he is doing as M means manager. Our employee class manager is this one, employee. In employee class manager what he is doing is he is working as a manager. Like this it will print. So I will show the output. Here you can see, here I am just clearing the console and I will show you HR. Okay, in HR I am not passing anything. I will pass Sidhu 35 comma some salary. Okay, so HR class HR is Sidhu, manager is Ram, employee is Shiva. So we are expecting same output here also in Python polymorphism. So here what I am doing is, here everywhere I am printing this one, right? Item dot work I am printing. Item dot work printing. It will return. I will directly do print. Okay, then it will print automatically. I no need to write print statement. Here I am just writing the print statement to print the values in our interpreter. So see here, here I am doing the clear, and so Sidhu is manager, Sidhu is HR, Shiva is employee, Ram is manager. So this is called polymorphism. Same method we are calling so many times, is we are same method name we are calling multiple times, but multiple times each time it will do different work. That is called polymorphism. So next one in this Python, after polymorphism we have encapsulation is there. Encapsulation is nothing but for example, every employee has salary, right? So the company admin can set the value as he can increase the salary, he can decrease the salary, he can show the salary to that employee only. So for that purpose we are using encapsulation. If we are doing self dot underscore underscore salary, it is a private variable. This is used for the purpose of encapsulation. Now how we can do encapsulation means, here I am taking one method, get the salary. Okay, get the salary is one method. Okay, here it is taking self as the parenthesis. Here it will return what it will return, self dot salary. Salary is the private variable. Who will call this salary? Either admins or particular employee, he can do the salary. So def dot set salary. Set salary, who will call? The company's the company HR or company admins, they can set the salary, right? So what they can do here, if we can pass amount. Okay, if we can pass amount, what they will do? Okay, here I am passing amount, and here I am passing self also. Okay, if they pass amount, if amount, okay, if amount greater than 0, what they can do? Self dot underscore underscore salary, means they are setting the salary to particular employee. That's it. Here amount, this is how this is called encapsulation. Means encapsulation is nothing but some of in bank also, some of them they are only for particular bank managers only allowed to see the account balance. So same way here also, every employee have salary, but the salary can shown by either admin or the company manager or HR or particular employee. So this is called encapsulation in Python. We can do like this. Okay, next one is, I think it's understood. So next I am going to next one is abstraction. Abstraction, before going to abstraction, okay, I will explain the abstraction also here. First abstraction means, what means, for example, if you create one class. Okay, uh, if you want to create a class and it need to be addressed as abstraction class, for that first we need to import one thing from abc, import abc comma abstract method. These two are the Python methods we need to use to maintain the class as abstract class. So first I am creating class as person. So person is one class, he is abc. Why we need to do abc means, as per the Python libraries, if you create a one class with the abc inheritance, then it will treat as one Python abstract class. And for abstract class also we can create constructor. Okay, init init. Okay, so here I am not doing anything, so just pass I am doing here. If Python, how it will check? If any class as abstract method. Okay, abstract method, here I am doing diff work. Okay, diff work I am doing, this I am passing. Pass means, if any class, it need to be inherited from person, then everywhere the user can implement the work. So here in employee class, in manager class, we are already implemented the work in part of the inheritance, in part of the polymorphism and overriding. So here I am just inherit that person. So because we are already implementing the abstract method work. Why in Python, if any method as treated as abstract method, then Python interpreter will know it is a okay, it is a one abstract method. So the abstract method function should be implemented in their child class, and it will treat like that. And so we can, in normal way, how we are using in other programming languages, here also we can't create object for the Python class. what is the purpose of the abstract class means, we have some methods. For example, every employee will do work. Every employee will wear normal, normal example, he will do work, he will do eat, he will do parties, like that. So what are the common methods? I'm telling just a basic example. What are the common methods? Those they keep in abstract class. For that implementation they will do in child classes. That is the benefit of the abstract class. So if we want to implement abstract class, then we can easily know what are the common methods, why those are not implemented, those methods. It is a best programming and best way to maintain the large complex applications. So next I am going to this is the how abstract class will do. So I am just creating here it, because we did not get any error, we are already implemented this work in the below classes. So next one is I am going to explain method overriding. Method overriding means we need to implement one method in some other classes. This I already explained. And the method overloading means, for example, I have one employee class, right? This is our employee class. Here I am creating one method def equal to method name is add. So here I am passing self comma a comma b comma c comma. Here c equal to 0 I given, and b equal to 0 I given. Here I given colon. So it will print addition of a comma. Okay, same method we can use multiple parameters. B comma, next c comma equal to, okay, I am adding a plus b plus c. Here I given f for formatting the string. It automatically take the values and keep the expression normal, formatted the value. So here I created one class add. Okay, now here I need to print whether that overloading is working or not, right? So for that, here I have one employee class. Okay, e dot add of first I given 5 comma 10. Okay, and just I am passing a comma b. E dot add of a0 b comma 6 b comma c. E dot add of I am passing a comma b comma c. So how this is print I will show you now. See here, this is first addition of a comma b comma c. 5 10 0, this is 15. Addition add of 0 5 6 11, add of 1 2 3 6 6. This is the how the method overloading is working. Okay, so now I am going to explain. Next one is our static method. Static method means we can use it, but we need to change it one time only. Like for example, I will show you. We have one method is bonus. I will create an employee class. I will show you. This is our employee class. Okay, here I am getting one method def. Okay, bonus. Okay, bonus method. What it will take? It will take salary comma percent. Okay, and what it will do? It will calculate, right? Return. Okay, salary. 1 minute. Salary spelling is wrong. Salary star percent by 100. It will calculate the salary. So if you want to make it as static method, we need to create a static method as one keyword. We need to apply for this one. Then it will use as static method class. So now